Welcome to our YouTube channel and please do subscribe it for more videos and updates. Don't forget to press notification button. Okay, let's begin with the information. Huawei 9, 2019, was announced in October this year, but didn't announce the pricing and availability back then. 2 months later, the smartphone has been teased on Amazon India, confirming its arrival in the market soon. The e-commerce giant is taking registrations of interest, and has made the Notify Me button live. The key highlights of the Huawei 9, 2019, smartphone include 6.5-inch display with a notch, dual rear and front cameras, Kirin 710 SoC, 4,000 mAh battery, GPU turbo, and fingerprint 4.0 identification technology. Huawei 9, 2019. Price in India is not yet known, but the smartphone will fall in the budget category, given its specifications. We don't know the exact price yet, but we expect it to be under 15,000 Indian rupees, $215, in India. The phone will be available exclusively on Amazon India. Availability has also not been announced as of yet, but registrations for those who want notifications about the smartphone have started on Amazon India. The smartphone is seen sporting the display notch up front to house 2 front camera sensors, and there's little to no bezel on all the other sides. The back houses the dual camera setup, again aligned vertically, a rear fingerprint scanner, and is seen sporting gradient finished rear panel. Huawei 9, 2019, specifications. The dual SIM Huawei 9, 2019, runs on EMUI 8.2 based on Android 8.1 Oreo. It sports a 6.5-inch, 1080 by 2340 pixels, full-view display with a 3D curved design, and a 19.5:9 aspect ratio. It is powered by the Kirin 710 processor and comes with AI Power 7.0. It comes in 3GB RAM plus 64GB storage and 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage models. There's no clarity on which variant will come to India. In terms of optics, the smartphone features a dual rear camera setup with a 13-megapixel main sensor with f/1.8 aperture and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f/2.4 aperture. The rear setup supports LED flash, HDR, and TAF. It also sports a dual camera setup at the front, with 16-megapixel main sensor with f/1.0 aperture and another 2-megapixel sensor with f/2.4 aperture. Both the camera setups are claimed to come with some AI-based features. The Huawei 9, 2019, comes with fingerprint 4.0 identification technology that is claimed to unlock the smartphone in 0.3 seconds. The upgraded fingerprint technology also includes fingerprint navigation that enables users to manage all the notifications with one key. It packs a 4,000 mAh battery, and connectivity options include Bluetooth, micro USB, Wi-Fi Direct, Wi-Fi Hotspot, and GPS/AGPS, GLONASS. Sensors on board include fingerprint sensor, proximity sensor, ambient light sensor, digital compass, gravity sensor, and gyroscope. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and comment on our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.